Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today we're going to look at this cute new style by Amore for spring of 2022. This is SYBIL and the color on this one is Mochaccino R. More on her in just a minute. And start talking about this cute new style, SYBIL. So as you can see, SYBIL does have a little bit of a face flopping issue. So she's going to need a little bit of training. You know, if you really want to get the fibers away from your face, you can always use some steam. But what I find is just the more I play with them, the more I push them back, they finally will get trained. So sometimes I have a video on my channel here where sometimes I will wet them and use my hot air brush on low heat because these are regular synthetic fibers, not heat friendly, you know, and kind of push them back that way. And then I'll clip it with a little, you know, just a little clippy like this overnight, and that helps too. So, you know, don't be afraid of these types of styles. They're really, really super cute. I mean, I love the cut on this. It's just very common for a cut like this when you first get it to flop in your face a little bit. And, you know, initially you can also wear it pulled back with a little barrette, you know, for work or whatever, or you can tuck it behind your ear. There's different things you can do. So anyway, so she's really, really cute. She's got great movement. She's got a really nice cap. So we'll get to that part in just a minute. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around. Then we'll get into all of her specs. So here she is from the front. Really cute. Easy little style. This is great for spring and summer. So here's my left. Get a little closer here. The back. My right, and back to the front. So she just has a few, you know, she's basically a short bob, but she has a few layers in here just to give her some movement, give her a little bit, you know, a little bit of layering. It's cute, you know, the way the layers fall around the face and everything. So really, really pretty style. Okay, so as far as her measurements, her fringe here in the front is 7.5 inches. You could, of course, obviously cut that shorter if you wanted to, you know, and have more of a bang covering your forehead. And she has a mono top, so you can part her anywhere you want. I just have her parted on the left because that's how she came out of the box. So, okay, so fringe is 7.5 inches. From the crown, you have an 8.3 inch layer, and her nape back here is 4.9 inches. Weight-wise, she's 2.9 ounces. She weighs nothing. So she is a lace front, actually an extended lace front. So that lace front is going to extend all the way down onto these ear tabs, not to cover the entire ear tab, but you can see the lace there. And this is lace that I would definitely trim back. I would trim that right back to the hairline, just because I think that lace line is kind of obvious. Not as, yeah, you can see it right here as well. And then, like I said, she has a full mono top. So here's the left, here it is parted on the left. But you could, you know, you could part it anywhere up here on this top. And it's actually a double mono, so I'll show you that again when I take the cap off. And, you know, so you really do have a nice scalp appearance. It really still helps hide the knotting there, so it looks really nice. So then one place I have a little issue with is the ear tab. So I have good coverage. This is definitely fitting like a petite. So if you have, you know, this may go up to average, but beyond that, it's a hand-tied cap with some closed wefts in the back. It's not going to have a lot of stretch. So, okay, so there's lace. The lace front goes all the way down to about here, but the lace itself, there's a little layer of lace right here on the ear tab. And when I put it behind my ears and I was just inspecting the wig before I reviewed it, I don't like the appearance of that lace. So I think what I would do is take a tiny little scissor and try to cut that away from that ear tab, just so the ear tab looks more natural. I'm not real pleased with the appearance of that. And with the price point on this wig, I think that that ear tab could look better. So, okay, so I will pop her off and we can look at the interior cap construction. Okay, so there's your part. Looks really nice. All right, so here's what I'm talking about this lace front. So you see it's extended almost all the way down. It's extended all the way down as far as lace front appearance on your forehead, but there's lace. The lace is actually sewn all the way down on the ear tab, down here to about here, which is the very bottom of the ear tab. So, but now I'm seeing there's actually some hair that's sewn onto the ear tabs in between that. So that might not be that easy to cut off of there. So No, I'm not crazy about the appearance of that. So you've got this double mono top, which is nice. That gives you a nice scalp appearance on the top. And then again, that extended lace. So you've got lace covered ear tabs with a nice piece of metal in there. You're hand tied all through here. The cap is hand tied all across this part on the back, you know, right when you come off the mono top. And then you have some machine wefts back here in the back. But they're still closed wefts, so it still looks and feels, when the hair separates, it looks like a hand-tied cap. And then she has Velcro adjusters, which are nice, and an extended soft felt nape. As far as stretch, see, there's not a lot of stretch. So, you know, this is gonna fit petite and petite average. Okay, so let's start looking at this color, Mochaccino R. So Mochaccino R is such a great color. It's a great color if you want to go lighter as a brunette. It's a highlighted light brown. So it's just very versatile. Or if you wear blondes and you kind of want to go darker, this would also be a really, really great shade for you to try. So, you know, very versatile shade, and I think it would look good on a lot of different skin tones. So Mochaccino R is described as it's rooted with a darker brown, and then it has a light brown base with strawberry blonde highlights. So really, really pretty. It's definitely on the warm side. You know, those highlights, as you can see, look really, really gold. And there's no permatease in this wig, by the way, with it being hand-tied and closed wefted and everything. No permatease, very low density. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I shut off all the lights except for the overhead light in the room so you can see what it looks like in this type of lighting. So there it definitely looks, you know, like a brunette, but you can see those pretty highlights going through it. Strawberry blonde, gold, I would describe them as. Here we are outside with this Mochaccino rooted. Isn't that pretty? This is one of my favorite colors by them. So there you can see the rooting. There's that lace front. Knotting is really tiny. Cute cut. Here we are in shaded sunlight. So you can see it pops more of that strawberry blonde. And I'll walk into the sun so you can see the full sun. Okay, so we'll look at glasses and styling. So like I said, she's really low density, so she's super easy to put behind the ears. So, you know, glasses, headbands, stuff like that are going to be really easy with her. Real easy to put your glasses up on the head. You could probably maybe even push the hair back with your glasses. Let's try it. Sort of. Yeah, it works. I just like to put the hair behind my ears. I'm always afraid I'm gonna, like, you know, push my wig off or something like that. So, okay, so we'll look at with a headband. Pull that little bang layer out. That's cute. Okay, and then you could, of course, just stick a headband in her or a scarf or whatever. That looks cute. And, you know, I think another way that's really cute to wear her is tucked behind the ears. She just looks, you know, really cute. And I think even though she has that little ear tab issue, I think these hairs are going to hang down enough that you won't really notice that because this bang part is going to come out, you know. So she looks cute like that. So other than that, you know, you can clip, you know, just, she's got the full lace front, of course, so you can clip her back off the face like this. And as I said earlier, this might be how you have to wear her, you know, initially as you're getting her trained out of your face, you know, if you're working or whatever, just to keep the hair out of your face. But she looks really, really cute like that. And then you can, she doesn't have the length to, you know, clip her all the way back as far as like half up, half down, but you could clip it right behind the ear. And that would look really, really cute. You know, a claw clip or a little bobby pin or something like that. That would look really cute. So I just think she's adorable. I think she's going to be a great, really comfortable little wig for summer. So, okay. Thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. So take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.